Hey guys, VTech here, Blueberry Hill. Angie and myself are on property. We're installing or finishing up the member-owned pole for PEC electrical hookup. I met with the representative a few days back. I believe it was Wednesday prior to this. This is Sunday, the 12th. Angie and I are finishing up the pole. I came a couple days before, jackhammer a hole into the rock, drilled a couple of holes for a couple of rebar supports, and then bought the pole on Friday, and we came over to set it in concrete. Basically 3 bags of concrete. It's 15 foot tall. It's 4x4 1/4 inch wall. That's according to PEC specs. So the representative, I actually, prior video you might have seen me attach the PVC to the pole, the PEC pole, which is, in some cases they do that, but in this case they wanted us to do the member-owned pole. So he offered this solution, which you just swing the PVC over. I plumb bobbed, where the hole should go for the pole, and then swung the PVC over to that spot. And here we are. I'm going to paint the pole. It's steel, so I primed it, painted it, and then attached all the PVC stuff, and then fed the wires through it, and then wired it into the meter stand with the leftover wire hanging out of the weatherhead. The PEC guys want like 3 feet hanging from the weatherhead. I had the pre-cut wire, so I just left the whole thing hanging there. Pretty much touches the ground, but I'm sure they might appreciate that. I don't know. Anyway, we should have power, give or take a day or two, and the shop should be powered, ready to roll. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk at you later. So to attach the PVC to the pole, I basically used screw clamps to hold it on there. A couple of steel, I think I used 3 or 4 steel ones. And here you see where I was actually pushing the wire through the weatherhead. The weatherhead comes apart, and you basically just thread. There's a plastic separator, and then a metal pad that goes on top of it. So I do that. By the way, some of the smoke you see flying by, that's Angie has a little fire going. So now and then you see a puff of smoke, so that's what that is. Anyway, she's going to help me here with the weatherhead part. Throw it on top, shove it in place, then screw the cap on. Yeah, there you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Later. So to finish up, basically just install the wires into the lug. It's aluminum wire, so I have that spuge stuff for deoxidizing the aluminum. Need about 1 inch of clear wire to shove into the lug, and then big giant Allen nuts that actually tighten everything down. So we're ready to roll here. We're going to button this up and then wait for PEC to hook things up, and we should be rolling. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. More exciting stuff coming. We're going to set up the water control area. Thank you. Bye.